Welcome back to Checkout Guy YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set a maximum quantity for only one specific product on Shopify. So for this, I'm using a Next Minimum Order Quantity app from Shopify App Store. You can also install this app from Shopify App Store, or I also attach the app link of this app in the description of the video. So after installing the Next Minimum Order Quantity app, you come to the home page of the app. So basically, this is the home page of the app. So after coming to home page, you can click on the product limits configure. So we can give a name, for example, limit a product max 3. So we can select on product section, product maximum quantity, giving it 3, and you can select that particular product. I'm selecting this product, I'm adding that, saving it. Right, then you can go to the products once more, max quantity. If you need to add another product maximum quantity limit, you can click on this and you can add this, right? And once it's done, we are going to test how it's working. So I'm trying, so already there is 5 in the cart. I'm trying to check out. So maximum is 3. You can see you cannot add more than 3 of this particular product to your cart. And you can just go back to the cart and make the changes to 3. And if we try to check out, you can see there is no errors coming and you can easily purchase the products. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel.